How does love relate to the three aspects of divinity?
Let's go.
The Trinity. Let us see the connection now. Jehovah God is the third aspect of the Godhead. He is the highest among the angelic life wave and is divine. Above human beings, we have angels. The highest among the angels is Jehovah, and he attained divinity. He is responsible for physical creation. So all physical things that we see, they are the work of Jehovah. He is God.
Oh my God.
He is also in charge of all languages. All languages on earth, Jehovah God is in charge of them.
Mm-hmm.
He is also responsible for separateness so that we can have self-identity first. And he is the giver of the law to refine our desires from coarse and debased things towards edifying ones.
Aha.
Let us remember that the law is not an end in itself. It was externally driven by Jehovah God. The aim is to prepare humanity to internalize love towards a higher spiritual level. Examples of how we need to internalize the law first. We need to imbibe fully and live by the law first. We can see examples in Matthew chapter 19, verse 16 to 30. Jesus and the rich young man. Until we internalize the law first, we are not proper Christians. Then we can also see Romans chapter 3, verse 31. Similarly, Galatians chapter 3, verse 24 and 25. Jehovah God is to lead humanity to Christ. In the Western wisdom teachings, Jehovah God is linked to the human spirit. How about the Christ? The Christ is the highest among the archangelic life wave. He is the second aspect of the Trinity. So we have the angelic life wave. The one after the angelic life wave is the archangelic life wave. And the highest is the Christ. He is responsible for the sustenance and renewal of creation. That is his job. And he is the unifier. He unifies everything. Working in the higher realm of love, altruism, and power. That is where Christ is functioning. In Christ, there is no separateness. That is the difference. Unlike in Jehovah, where separateness was initially allowed. In Christ, there is nothing like separateness. He operates in the world of life spirits. And the world of life spirit is universal unity that binds everything together. And Christ is to lead humanity to the Father. The Western wisdom teachings link him to the life spirit aspect. The third and the highest, the Father. The Father is the one and all, the Alpha and the Omega, the beginning and the end. He is the highest among the lords of mind. The highest among the lords of mind is the Father. It is within whom everything visible and invisible exists. He is the source of light, love, and life. That is the Father. He is responsible for inauguration, to inaugurate visibly and invisibly and dissolve creation within himself. That is the Father. The Western wisdom teachings link him to the divine spirit aspect. In conclusion, the only food for the spirit is love and self-forgetting service. There is no any other food. So if you want to develop positively, spiritually, the only food you can give your spirit is love and self-forgetting service. The source of love is the life spirit where Christ dwells. That is the source of love. It is only when we love and serve that we can develop spiritually and positively and be with Christ. There is no any other option. It is only when we love and we serve that we can develop spiritually and positively and be with Christ. So let us love and let us work harder to uplift humanity. That is the only way we can build the soul body, the spiritual body, That is the only way we can be born again. It is the soul body that humanity will use. That is those who qualify to meet Christ on his second coming. We're not going to use this physical body. It is the soul body that we are going to use to meet him when he comes again. We hope episode 8 has added something new to your knowledge. If you have any questions, you can post in our comments section. Our next lecture is the difference between esoteric and esoteric or popular Christianity. We always talk about esoteric Christianity as being the domain of our platform. Our next lecture will bring the difference between esoteric Christianity and esoteric or popular Christianity. We hope to see you again. Thank you very much.